Friends, so I got this selfie stick on Amazon, and it has a shutter button, Bluetooth enabled shutter button. Uh, let's see what we have inside the box. And before unboxing, here are some specifications of this tripod. They say it's made of aluminum, and the size, the length, the extended length, and the battery it has for the Bluetooth enabled shutter button. So this is how these are the specifications on the box, and it also has a quick reminder about how to use that Bluetooth enabled remote control to take the selfies. So I'm going to show you what the reminder says. So you can take a quick pause here to read what it says there. Yeah, now let's see what we have inside the box. Okay, comes with a quick manual telling us how to use this stick, how to connect it to the phone and all of that. And here is the stick. Okay, so this is how it comes, and yeah, okay, let me show. Okay, there you go. Okay, so this is how you can open the phone holder to stick the phone, and it kinds of expands a little bit to attach some bigger screen phones, and I guess here is the Bluetooth remote that they are talking about. It's detachable. It comes off like this. So there is the Bluetooth shutter button, and here is the stick. Let me keep this Bluetooth shutter button aside. And yeah, this phone holder is kind of rotatable like this. Not a 360-degree rotatable, but then you can. Okay, there you go. So here is how you can hold it. You can, as you can see here, this is how you can hold and stick your phone to this. Let me show you by touching one phone. So here you go. Here is how you can attach a phone to this. Definitely the phone holder itself, it's definitely sturdy. You can loosen or tighten the holder by rotating this this screw here. As you rotate this becomes little loose, and you can tighten this by using the screw button here. Okay, that's a good touch. Yeah, then it's sturdy. Doesn't the phone, I mean, yeah, the phone doesn't fall off or anything. It's good. And let's see how this tripod stands on the floor. Okay, there you go. It comes like this. Okay, so if you see, this is how it stands, but not the correct way. So to make this tripod stand, you got to pull this I don't know what we call that stick inside. So yeah, this is how the stick stands. Yeah, with that middle pole inside, it sticks. I mean, it's sturdy. It definitely sturdy. It's not a big brand or anything on the box. As you can see, it just says QO3 Magic Snapshots Selfie Stick. Yeah, there is no specific brand. The only thing that I can say is these three legs that you have here, they're definitely not the strongest ones. So I think on the box they're saying you can actually attach a phone or even a DSLR, I guess. But I don't think this selfie stick can a DSLR camera as such. So but yeah, definitely works for a phone, or even for something like a a GoPro type of camera. Definitely good for smaller versions of cameras that help in video recording, but definitely not for a DSLR. Though the box claims that it can hold a DSLR. So yeah, so here is how it looks, guys, when I hold the phone. Okay, so let me tighten the screw. And this center rod is expandable up to, what they're saying is 740 mm, which is 29.1 inches. So let me show you that. Okay, there you go. Yeah, definitely a lengthy stick. I mean, for selfie purposes, yeah, should be sufficient. I don't know if I can show the entire stick in one go in this video. I'll try to take a picture and add it at the end of this video, so you can see how lengthy it is and whether this will be sufficient or not. But once you attach this to a once you, I mean, expand this stick to its full length, yeah, the three legs that are there holding this selfie stick, yeah, they definitely are not the strongest ones. They are wobbling a little bit. I bought this for 1,000 rupees, believe me, and for that price, there are better ones out there, definitely. And yeah, I don't know if I will really recommend this because the legs are definitely not the strong at that price range. Okay, so I paid this Bluetooth shutter. Let's see how this works. So I click this this camera button once, and okay, yeah, it takes the pictures. As you can see, my phone there, yeah, it's definitely clicking the picture. Yeah, definitely will become handy, definitely, when you're taking those selfies. So yeah, definitely, this is probably a good touch. I know most of the selfie sticks are coming with this Bluetooth enabled device these days, so I think this will this is a definitely handy option that you can have. And connecting this Bluetooth to the phone is a regular Bluetooth connection process, nothing crazy there. Hold this button for, I think, 2 to 3 seconds, and there is a small blue LED light that gets enabled here, and it blinks, and then that means the device has gone into a pairing mode. And then once you turn on the Bluetooth on your phone, the phone will identify this device, and it says the name of the Bluetooth device is selfie. So yeah, use, I mean, click on that selfie option, and then the Bluetooth and then the device gets paired with your phone. So yeah, I think definitely a handy one for sure. And just in case if you don't want to hold this Bluetooth device separately with the other hand, yeah, you can always stick it to the stick itself. I mean, to the selfie stick itself, and yeah, it gets sticks like this, and then you press here, as you can see. Yeah, I'm pressing this button, and it takes the picture. So that's good. And even if I have to do a video, so yeah, I think I pressed this video and it started recording, so which is just good. So okay, so I guess hope this review helped you to see how this selfie stick works. Whether I recommend it or not, I don't know. For that price, 1,000 rupees, yeah, definitely seems expensive, and the quality doesn't it's not so great for that price. But yeah, definitely serves the purpose though. Thanks guys, see you in my next video. Take care.